Hi, I'm Stephen Crain. I'm co-director of the KIT Macquarie Brain Research Lab. The lab is part of the Macquarie Centre for Cognitive Science at Macquarie University in Sydney, Australia.
Hello, I'm Graciela Tesan and I work at the Macquarie Centre for Cognitive Science at Macquarie University.
Hi, I'm Melanie Reid and I work at the Macquarie Centre for Cognitive Science at Macquarie University.
We use magnetoencephalography, or MEG, to study the brain mechanisms underlying the rapid acquisition of language in children from ages 2 to 6 years old. MEG measures the magnetic fields produced by the brain cortex. Using MEG, we can observe which brain areas are active during language processing and how these different areas interact. There are two challenges in working with young children using any brain imaging system. First, the typical laboratory environment is not child-friendly. Second, to participate in an MEG study, children must be instructed to keep movement to a minimum, and they're required to attend to a task for an extended period of time. So it was important for us to develop a protocol that enables us to use MEG while at the same time is enjoyable for children. That said, the benefits of MEG far outweigh the challenges. MEG is a valuable tool for measuring brain function in children because of its extremely high temporal resolution and its good spatial resolution, and because it is completely non-invasive. It poses no conceivable risk to the neural tissue of children. In contrast to MEG, other neuroimaging